Okay, guys. Uh, Now we begin our art lesson. Um, Everything is new now for us, but I hope you can do it at home too. Maybe your parents can help you a little bit. But my task is very usual. We will do all what we done on our lessons, and we will use different tools which we already use a lot of time on our art lesson. Okay, I wish you good luck. For today, our task, guys, you need these tools. So you need watercolors. It can be so big set or maybe smaller. You pick some different brushes. It will be just ideal if you have really big, really small and middle brushes. It can be 2, 3 or 4 like in my case. Also, you need scissors, you need pencil, and also you need eraser. And of course, as usually, you need water. So, please prepare everything and also prepare the paper A3 format. Okay, for step number 1, I want to ask you to replace your paper horizontally. So, find the middle of your paper, and from this middle I draw figure such I show you now, and to the right and to the left I gonna add some wings. It will be the bird, the spring bird. At first please look and then you can repeat after me. So now it's time to make this figure. This will be head, this will be wing, the first wing, the second wing, and here will be the tail. You can make any form of tail you want. I will make the bird tail. So, repeat this step, please. Okay, guys. For the next step, you need scissors. I want to ask you to cut out this contour of our bird. Do it now, please. So, our figure is ready, but it's just white paper. We have to paint our bird. Maybe it's high time to take off all the lines which you don't need more. Now we will use watercolor. For the next step, I will use my biggest brush. I'm gonna make it wet, and I will make wet the body of my bird. Be very exactly in this task, please. The wings should stay dry. After you do this step, take the smaller brush, please. Make it also wet. Use pink color and please color the body of your bird. It will be just boring if you use one and only color. You can mix different type of red. I use light red and I mix it together with orange. I want to make different type of red. And I want to make darker the nose and the tail. use purple or deep blue. It's just okay if some colors mix together. We specially make the surface wet to take this effect. So the nose must be really dark, so it will be really beautiful. And the edge of the tail should be also really dark. I add more dark colors like purple or even black. So now I'm agree with result. It's still wet and it takes a little time to wait till it's dry. Hey guys, for the next step it will be just ideal if your parents let you to use hair dryer. It's really easy to dry it quickly. Okay, for the next step you need hair dryer. It will be just ideal if your parents let you to use it. It helps you to dry it quicker. Okay, the next step is to take the middle brush and to make your wings wet. I start with one wing, just one. So I did it wet and I try to find turquoise color. I mix together green and blue. So I get turquoise color. With this color, oh no, it's too green. I don't like this color. I want to add some blue. Yes, so it's much better. So with this turquoise color, I color just the wings. Please pay attention. This color shouldn't mix together with the color of the body. So the first wing is ready. And the same step I do with the second wing. I start with make it wet and then I add turquoise color. So guys, now you see I do two wings turquoise and I also again use my hair dryer. I dry all my bird. For the next step you need pencil again. I gonna draw the eye to my spring bird. Eye has a leaf form and round dots in the middle. And of course hair lashes, eyelashes, yeah. So repeat this step please guys. Because this bird is a spring bird, I want to add some plants on my bird. Check if your wings are really dry. Use bright green and do some lines on the wings. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Take the smallest brush you have and the same step on the other wing. Please do it now. So guys, for the next step I want to add some leaves to my plants. So the leaves are everywhere on the stripes. Here. Do you see? I use lighter blue. It's more green and yellow than bright green. So I add some leaves here. And on the other stripe I also add some leaves. And so, step by step, I will fill in all the wings with green leaves, like happens in the spring. So, this is what I get now. Hope you repeat after me this step. Now we work with the eye. I decide what my bird will be blue-eyed. So, I'm gonna make it blue. Highlight, please, all the lines. Be very careful, it's a really fine job. Take small brush and don't work too quickly. Be neatly, please. So, repeat this step, please. As the last step, I want to make the breast of our bird beautiful. With beautiful feather, I take orange color, dark orange, and with my brush I make the drop forms on the body of our bird. So, it's really your times, guys. You can decide how you will decorate your bird. You can add some dots, you can add some ornaments, something like you want. And also I make here 2 lines. So, I think my bird is really ready now. You can install it on the window glass and our spring come sooner. Okay guys, as the next step, if you wish, you can install 2 pieces of double-sided sticky tape and install your spring bird on the window glass. Hello, nice to see you.